Yo, how's it going, guys? So today we're going to be going over the Wizard Swing Detector. I'm going to be showing you guys how this indicator works and how it gives you the signals as to being bullish or being bearish. So within this indicator itself, it's no entry zone when you have the indicator, the green area, and then you have the red area, and you have the midsection dividing the green and the red. When the candle is between this zone here on this indicator, the candles are going to be turning up white. So you will be getting candles, white candles. If it's above the green, it's going to start giving you green candles. If it goes below the red, it's going to start giving you red candles. That's the way this indicator works. So that being said, I'm going to let it run. At the moment, the candles are in between the green and red, and it's giving you a no entry. And as you can see up here on the table itself, you're also getting a no entry. No, right? Current bar, no. However, the table, it's giving you the bullish average, the bullish bottom, the value of it. So it's giving me a 21.868 with 45. And then it's giving me 21.862 with 51, which those actually indicate the 21.868.45 is giving you this measurement here. 21.62.51 is giving you the mid-range, the bottom of the section of this area. Same scenario with Barrett. It will be giving you this area. With that being said, let's go ahead and let this thing play out. I actually have it on replay mode so I can show you guys. So at the moment we have no entry for bullish and there is no entry for bearish. So let's let this thing play out. As you can see, we started going to the upside above bullish. It gives you a certain value. The candles are turning green and it's going to the upside. It's coming back to a no trade zone, but it's still bullish at the moment, still going up. And there we go, went to the top side. So let me go ahead and pause this right there. So we started at a no trade zone with the white candles. Right above this area, I started turning green because it started going above this indication right here. Started going above, right? So once it starts going above, this is like your support zone. This is a support bracket, right? If it falls below, it's danger zone. But if it stays above it, it's a continuation to the green side. So that's a good signal. It's staying above it and it's holding. And that was a good uptrend right here. Around this range, it was staying in below no trade zone. Showed me a couple of white candles, then it started to go green, and then it hold, then it went to the upside. So the good entries are whenever the candles cross above this section here, and that's to the upside. No trade zone. The no trade zone for me would be in between this indicator here. That's a no trade zone. For bullish, it needs to be right above this, and for bearish, it needs to be below that section there. Let's continue to let this thing play out. So this right here would be an exit. Right when you cross, right below this section here, that's an exit. A lot of people, well, it all depends too how they like to trade. Some people like to scalp. This would have been a nice scalp. You're out. Some people like to swing, right? And some people like to take it for intraday or long term. Depends on the time frames. So now, as you can see on the table, the bullish now is stating no, and the bearish is stating below bearish, meaning it's giving you an alert that it's already below the bearish. So let's continue to watch this thing play out. And remember, as long as this stays below this area, it's bearish. It's going to the downside. If for whatever reason the candles go to the upside and break this above, this is your exit. This is the exit point or no entry point until you see a new direction, either above the green, above this green, or to the downside below this red. That's the way this indicator works. Let's carry on and see this play out. So this thing's still holding below. Now, once you see a white candle, that would be your exit position. Now again, the candles are staying below this. Let's get still to the downside. Let's continue seeing this play out. There you go. It gave you an alert and it gave you a white candle. Now this alert gave me a white candle and then it gave me 1, 2, 3 red candles to the downside. But it's giving you an alert, heads up. It might be a change of direction. So if you start getting more white candles, then you exit the position. If you continue going red, then you're fine. There you go. So that primary candle there, that would have been your exit position right here. And then let them figure out a new direction. Remember now, this is a really great example of what I mean being in between. So now the candles are in between this. So that means that there's no direction yet. So white candles means either you're going to exit a previous position you're in, or a no entry zone until you either get a white or a green. Either you get a green or a red candle. That would be your entry positions. And again, the white candle is a no entry position at all. So we go back here. There's no entry position. You start getting red candles. Went below this. Oh, this is a nice downtrend. And that's how this indicator works. So remember, if to the upside they cross over this section here, then that's to the upside. You're gonna start getting green candles. If they're in between this section here, candles are in between here, here, they're gonna give you white candles. White candles is a no entry again. Or if you get a white candle and you have a previous position, that means look out. A new direction might be coming along, or exit your position. And that's how you use this indicator wizard swing detector. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help.